Hello friends and potential friends. This is going to be kind of a quick video. The sun's gone behind the clouds a little bit. You may hear some thunder and rumbling in the background here and there. But today is, what is today? Is August 17th, I believe. And I noticed the other day that the bromeliads are starting to bloom. So I figured I'd walk around and show you a little bit of color in the yard. Got them all up along the side yard here. There's a big patch of them on the other side of the fence. That's where they all started. My wife spread a few of them around from time to time over the years, and now they're spreading themselves all over the place. Just starting to come into bloom. Hiding up there behind the trees, under the trees, in amongst all the wild brush that's come up. And there's the patch that used to be my YouTube banner. There was a tree over there to the left at one time. Now all there is a stump. But the little mosquito factories are coming to life. I point this out because that's usually an indication that the summer's going to be coming to an end pretty soon. Got the bromeliads all over the place. And here in Florida, sometimes the bromeliads turn into vines and start climbing trees. Oh, this is going to be real short. I'm feeling a few drops starting to hit me. But as we walk around, there's bromeliads all over the place. Generally, I get one bloom all around the middle of August. These will last about a week, then they'll all die back, and we'll have another bloom around the middle of September. Basically, this is an early warning to let me know that it's time to get serious about getting the winter garden started, because the summer's going to be coming to an end pretty soon. Now, when I say winter garden, I mean the stuff I plant in the winter, which is kind of a cross between spring and fall. But this is my early warning. Now I've got to get busy about getting some seeds into pots. Have no idea where I'm going to plant anything, because right now my spring garden is still going strong. But I've got a few empty spots here and there. I'll probably be taking out some of these peppers before too long, although a lot of them are putting on another flush of blossoms just recently. Hope to be picking some okra pretty soon. But I just thought I'd walk around a little bit before the storms get here and show you the bromeliads. They're going to be coming on strong and steady over the next few days, and then they'll just kind of go away for about a month. And in that month, I've got to get these beds ready to go so I can start planting out some seeds, and I'll be filling up the lab with seedlings as quick as I can make room in there. Just wanted to make this a little short video, show you one of the things that I use to Schedule everything around. Schedule the garden. The mosquito factories are popping up all over the place. Even have a small patch of them starting to grow up here in the front yard. Yeah, that's it. Just a short video. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next one.